Hello everyone, my name is Aradhya. Today I am going to tell you a story. The title of my story is Every Drop is Precious. Once there was a boy named Raju. He loved playing with water. He used a lot of water while taking a bath and often forgot to turn off the tap. His parents always told him, "Water is very precious. We should never waste it." But Raju did not listen. He thought there was plenty of water everywhere. One day, Raju forgot to take his water bottle to school. At school, the taps were dry, so he could not drink any water.
On his way home, he asked a lady for a glass of water, but she said there was no water in her house because the taps had been dry for 2 days. Raju walked a little further and sat under a tree. Just then, a kind cyclist saw him and gave him some water from his bottle. Raju drank the water and felt much better. That day, Raju understood that water is truly precious. From then on, he never wasted water and always turned off the tap after using it. The moral of the story is, every drop of water is precious. Save water, save life. Thank you. If you'd like to watch more videos like storytelling, speeches, and poems, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye. See you in the next video.